22. It's your birthday. Good morning.
Good morning.
What's up, vlog? How was the bed?
It's actually super comfy.
It looks comfy.
Welcome back to my channel. Today we are coming to you from Edinburgh, Scotland, and I'm here with my sister. If you haven't seen the first video, we just came back from Copenhagen. We flew in yesterday and we went out last night, and I did not vlog that. Sitting on the floor of our Airbnb room. We're going to the farmer's market this morning to kick off Catherine's birthday. She's 22 today. And insert Taylor Swift. She doesn't really like attention, but today's all about her, so whether you like it or not. Oh my gosh, it's so weird. I'm finally now just picking up the camera after we've been out all day. I'll give you a rundown of what we have been up to. We went to the farmer's market this morning. It's literally right outside of our Airbnb. We got these really good, like, classic sausage rolls. We also got coffee. The coffee was not that good, especially because we came from Copenhagen literally 24 hours ago, and coffee there was just out of this world phenomenal. We're currently staying in Old Town, but we walked all the way to New Town, did a little bit of shopping, sat down at this place that Catherine had eaten at before. I got like this Wagyu burger. I don't really know how to pronounce it. And then of course we went and got gelato for some dessert. Now I'm just hanging out here, finished up a little bit of last minute editing that needed to be done. So I feel really good that I got that done. Yeah, Catherine is on the phone doing all of the thank yous and calling all of her friends because they're all wishing her happy birthday right now. But tonight we're going out again. Last night we let the liquor talk. Morgan Wallen has a song for that. I just got back from the grocery store and I'm gonna do little haul of what we got. I'm actually sweating. Also, this Airbnb has like 500 different keys, so yeah, that was fun. Also, there's like 4 flights of stairs. Definitely got in a workout. So all of that is for our road trip, which we're leaving for tomorrow. That's when we're gonna go get our rental car, and then we're going to road trip for the next like 4 or 5 days all across Scotland. Tonight, this is what we're gonna be having. Right outside of our Airbnb in Old Town, there is this beautiful hill that people have just been having picnics on all day, and I begged Catherine to go today and have a little picnic. So picked up these Revita Thins, some salami, prosciutto, and then some of this cranberry cheese. I literally cannot wait. I'm gonna put this all in the fridge for now. These look What's up, vlog? We've got a little update for you. It's currently 10 o'clock at night. Doesn't look like 10 o'clock because the sun is still out. We're just gonna hang out and celebrate the rest of Catherine's birthday all together. I'm not gonna take you guys with me because I don't want to break my camera, so I'm gonna vlog on my phone. I apologize for the quality. Don't mind how I look right now. We're in Inverness. We dropped off our stuff at the Airbnb. We're actually staying in somebody's house, like their legit house right now. 9:20. We've just been watching Friends on Netflix basically this whole trip whenever we have downtime, and I've never seen it, but Catherine's been trying to get me to watch it for the longest time. It's definitely worth watching. Living out of a suitcase is definitely not my favorite thing. The next destination is the Isle of Skye. We're gonna be staying there for the next 2 days, I think. 2 or 3 days. Bricks in there.
Caroline, don't crush your Oreos. Wait, lean back. So weird being on the left side of the car. So how scared are you on a scale of 1 to 10 to drive? 2. Ooh. This is good. This is why I am not driving. I don't really know what this car brand is. I've never seen this logo before. This drive is actually gorgeous. Right out the window, you can just see it's all open. Everything is so green here and lush. And Catherine even said that it looks like we're driving straight into a Pinterest board. Our first stop is Torridon. We've only got like an hour left to get there, and the reason why we're gonna stop there, kind of like regroup before we drive along the coast, maybe get some lunch or something, because we don't really have like any meals planned for the day. Catherine's killing it with the driving. Quick pit stop at the general store. I feel very British. This is a ham and cheese toasty, everyone. This is like sugar, milk. Never seen this in my life. Scottish tablet. Alright, I ended up getting this cheese scone and then a mixed vegetable soup. Proceed to the room. Eee, I'm so excited. We took a little detour and stopped alongside the road to go to this beach. Look at this shell that I found. I'm taking it home. This literally does not look real. We just got to our Airbnb and it's so cute. It's in this little like side part of this person's house, but it's like cottage style. We get complete privacy. But we did stop at a grocery store on the way up here. Now I'm gonna put together my dinner because I'm really hungry. I picked up some German peppered salami and then some smoked cheese, and I'm just gonna make it into like a little bagel sandwich. I also got this Quaker oatmeal for tomorrow for breakfast, and then Catherine picked up some fruit, jelly cherries, and then a sandwich. Good morning, everyone. Today we are spending the full day in this part of Scotland. It's also not going to be too chaotic because one, it's really rainy right now, and the only official tour that we booked through Airbnb is to watch these dogs cattle some sheep, which I guess is really common here. So I'm excited about that. The Airbnb that we're staying at is super nice. They left a bunch of fruit, water, some breakfast things, and so we ate that this morning. But I think we're gonna go get some coffee because they also recommended a really good local place. So we are on the Isle of Skye, but we're not staying in like the heart of it. We're kind of in like a little area off to the side, which is kind of nice because traffic isn't as bad, and that way we kind of get to experience like the whole countryside feel. As you can tell, it is extremely rainy and a little bit cold. I'm wearing my North Face workout dress. Hopefully it warms up a little bit and the rain kind of slows down. I never showed you all the 2 seashells that I found on the beach yesterday. I love collecting things, and seashells are one of my favorite things to collect. So I found this blue one, super pretty, and then this one was the first one that I found. Oh my gosh. We found a cute little coffee shop called Columba 1400, and we just got oat milk lattes. Okay, that was such a cute little place. I think it has something to do revolving Christianity because there were a lot of crosses in there. Got some things, so Catherine and I are gonna do a little haul. Cards, 2 of each design by a local artist here on Skye, and they're just super cute. And we got this postcard for our grandma. They had these cute little DIY covers for notebooks, and then inside there's a notebook obviously, and I was thinking maybe when I go to semester at sea I might just use this as like a diary. And then I got one other thing. This is gonna be for my house, either in my room on the wall or in the living room, and then put this little painted shell of a Highland cow. Highland coo. It's so cute. That was very successful. Also, it was very affordable. I think we're a little bit scarred from how expensive things were in Copenhagen. That place is really cute, but very expensive there. Okay, now we are going to Milt Falls. Milt Falls. Dinner reservations later tonight at a really yummy place. Then obviously our Airbnb tour of seeing the dogs. We pulled over on the side of the road to this little coffee shop pastry thing, and I got this white chocolate raspberry muffin. The sweets here are so different from the US. You can taste all the ingredients here. We found a cute little waterfall, so we pulled over, but we can't get up to it, which is the only sad part. Guys, we found some sheep! Look at how many there are.
That was hands down one of the coolest Airbnb experiences that I've ever done. This man has these incredibly smart border collies. They like have won all these international competitions and stuff, and he has like 10 of them, but he used 3 for the experience. And basically we just like learned so much about how throughout Scotland people for so many years rounded up sheep and cattle by using these dogs. It was insane. They're so smart, and we were trying to imagine Leo, Lacey, and Matcha doing it, and they just would not succeed. They would literally fail. Okay, they got us in a little bit early. Oh, my hair looks crazy right now. I ordered their soup of the day and sausage.
My friend nostalgia, I found you when I heard the sweet sound of the ones who I once knew so well. In a voice memo from years ago, we were laughing about some nonsense.
We're getting a early start to today. I'm enjoying this Scottish porridge, which is basically like oatmeal. I sleep talk apparently. Catherine told me this morning that I laughed in my sleep and I talked and had conversations. So apologies to whoever I ever have a sleepover with or end up marrying one day, because you're gonna be stuck hearing me sleep talk apparently. We got here super early to the castle. That way Catherine and I can kind of walk around before everybody gets here. The only other castle we went to was in Denmark, but this one is beautiful. I don't want to butcher the name of it, so I'm just gonna let you read it for yourself. The castle was a success. It was so freaking cool, but I do think they definitely renovated it.